look at this beautiful chart. We are only down like 95% or so since the all-time high, which means right now with this little tiny speck of green over here, it should reverse, right? I mean, here's your technical analysis. It was here, now it's there. So it has to go up triangles, right? Neuralink Cat or NCAT launched about a week ago or so, and it was the first Neuralink made meme. Now, the price is pretty shit, like there's nothing else to say about that. You know, numbers red, things go down. Market cap of 1.5 mil. I think we peaked at 26 million just a couple days ago. And I was actually lucky enough in one of the Discord servers I'm in, Luke Bermus to be precise, to see this one around here, and then we went up there, and whew, I got like a 5x on my money. And then I didn't sell it, and now I'm down 80%. So, yeah. Happens. Here's what I think. This is still going to go well over the next few months. First of all, the Neuralink founder, I think he's going to have an interview fairly soon with either Joe Rogan or Elon Musk, something along those lines, which means once this one gets another tiny bit of popularity, this is easily going to get reversed. Plus, it's a good symbol and name, but also having the odds or the chance to be something evergreen that can be referenced for years and years to come. Dogecoin, funny dog, haha, NCAT, first cat, make with Neuralink. And I want to show you a dog in the meantime. His name is Myro. I think this one is the dog of the Solana founder, if I'm not mistaken. And if I'm mistaken, happened. Don't cry about it. This went, you know, up before, kind of like Neuralink Cat. And then went down. Oh no, nobody wants to buy this shit. Oh, it went back up to new all-time highs. Nobody wants to buy this shit. And then it went back up. And no, nobody wants to buy this shit. So we can see with this great analysis that shit goes down, shit goes up, over and over. And I think, despite this one being only a week or so old, 5 days to be precise at this point, this, in my humble opinion, which is 100% going to be correct, will do something similar. Where we have the initial leg up, maybe this down there, and if it's down, oh no, nobody wants to buy it, and then it goes back up. And for that, I will take a $10 million loan from the nearest bank and put it all in here to become the world's first trillionaire. And if you want to lose your money in this one as well, all you gotta do is you head over to Jupiter or Radium, and then you either copy the contract address up here, or on DEX Screener, you can click the button right there for NCAT. Don't click on the pair, that doesn't exist. Click on NCAT. Go to swap, paste it in there, it's gonna show up, and you can then also lose your money in this. But here's something to keep in mind. Even though my backs are down by like 70 to 80%, I can only lose 20% more, but I can also gain 5,000% if this one gets a little bit more high. And that's a pretty good upside. Now, this might not be the best time to get in. I mean, there's a little bit of green and mostly red. Even the last 6 hours have been down by 41%, but I would say around a $1 to $2 million market cap is where I would set some UCA targets if you have some Solana or use the key left over to throw it into this. Also, don't forget, play with your profit, don't be a retard, and if you wanna be, and there's a good chance you will lose all your money. So might as well give it to a homeless person instead, at least they don't die. And that's my nemesis of NCAT. I would rate this one a 6 out of 8, and I will make sure to post more high-quality mean review videos like this in the upcoming days. Also, in the future, if I'm right about this one does go to like a $200, $500 million market cap, then I can reference this video and say, told you so. Last piece of advice before I say goodbye, and that is, on Twitter, there's one guy called Iced Knife. He mainly trades Solana shitcoins, and he tweeted once before, it doesn't make any sense to sell your meme bags for a little bit of dust, because you never know when they reverse and go back up. So if you do have some NCAT in here, and let's say you put in 1 Solana and you're now down to like 0.1, it doesn't matter if you get $12 out of this, no. But the potential could be that you turn it into 500 plus. So might as well leave it in. Or, do whatever you like. You can make any decision you want.